It is, Judge. Is he on?
He's on. I think you may have to put it on gallery to be able to see him better. There it is.
So, Judge, he still has pending charges. He's here on a VOP. He still has pending charges. I believe they're set in April. Is that right, Mr. Patterson?
You'll have to. There you go.
Yes, sir.
So, if we could just get a May date, do you expect those to be resolved in April, Mr. Patterson?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Well, will you get those resolved and then we'll come back in May?
Okay.
All right. What day in May? May 26th. All right. Case is reset for May 26th of 2026. Thank you, Mr. Patterson. All right. At the jail, are we ready for some inmates there? Cheatham County Jail.
Yes, Your Honor.
Go ahead and bring out your first one.
Yep.
It's Fulton for report. He's in report for tomorrow, I think. All right.
This is Marquise Collins, docket number 19303, page 1.
All right, this is for a hearing on a violation of community corrections. Ms. Libby Watson is the attorney.
She's been in email communication with me, but I haven't seen her yet this morning. State's ready for it.
Mr. Collins, your lawyer is not yet here, so we're going to put your case on the second call and come back to you when your lawyer arrives. Thank you.
Is it to the second?
Yeah, second call. Yep.
Would be today.
You got it tomorrow?
You guys have to go. All right, here you go.
Meeting?
This is Joel Dickerson, Your Honor, docket number 19111.
Mr. Dickerson, you're here to be arraigned on a charge of violation of probation. You have the right to an attorney. Do you wish to have a lawyer represent you?
No, sir. I think I just soon go ahead and take care of it.
The affidavit of violation of probation says that you were placed on probation on or about the 10th day of November 2022 for the offense of possession of a firearm with prior violence, deadly weapon conviction, and sentenced to 4 years in the Tennessee Department of Corrections. That was suspended to probation. It is alleged that you have violated your probation by violation of Rule 5, which states that on or about October the 31st of 2024, the officer conducted unsuccessful home visit at 6330 Clarksville Pike, Joelton, Tennessee at 12:33 p.m. The resident stated the offender does not live there and whereabouts were unknown. It's also alleged that you are in violation of Rule 6, that you have not reported to your probation officer since August of 2024, and you understand what you're charged with, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
I want you to understand that if you're found guilty of this, then your probation can be violated and your probation can be revoked, and you can be remanded to serve the sentence of 4 years in prison. You understand that?
I do. I'm sorry. I would like a lawyer if that's possible.
You want to go ahead and have an attorney now?
Yes, sir.
All right. Mr. Vaughn with the Public Defender's Office is here. I'm going to appoint his office to represent you and handing him a copy of that affidavit. All right. Not guilty plea is entered. Do you want to set it for April or May?
April. There's no pending charges put in April.
April 28th. All right, your lawyer will be up to talk with you and get you ready for that hearing on April 28th. Thank you.
Thanks, sir.
You ready for James? All right, come on, James.
This is James.
What is your name, please?
James Du Bois, docket number 18905.
Mr. Dubois, you are here today on a charge of violation of probation. You represent him?
Yes, sir, I do. Mr. Dubois has a multiple count indictment pending out of Dixon County. I believe, are your motions to suppress in April or May, JT?
May,
May, so if we could just get maybe a July
Right,
date.
May 28th. Was that May 26th?
it's May 13th.
All right, May 26th.
Okay,
I'm tracking it over there, JT.
all right.
Can you go back to this one?
And you will-
Frank,
you can go back to this.
this is so good. I went.
This is Jonathan Krantz, Your Honor, docket number 19710 and 19713.
Judge, Mr. Krantz is my client. That is going to be for plea if you want to bring him up.
All right, we're gonna have Mr. Krantz brought over from the jail. We'll bring you over in just a little bit. Thank you.
Right, you standing in the hallway, Palmer,
Well, never
or Netherton? I don't know.
This is Jimmy Netherton, Your Honor, docket number 19543.
All right, Miss Margaret Brady Wilkerson is the attorney. She's a juvenile court. All right, we will have to bring you back on the second call. Your lawyer's in another courtroom right now. We'll come back to you. Thank you.
No second. Second call.
Thank you all. Is that the same for Mr. Grant? Go ahead.
Krantz will be brought up. Palmer. He's second call.
Parker,
Morning.
he's taken upstairs. You need him upstairs now, buddy.
This is Ricky Palmer, docket number 19738.
I was told, he was supposed to be transported to Davidson County, but you want him to transport you to Davidson County too? All right, I'm sorry, at the jail, what is your name?
This is Ricky Palmer, docket number 19738.
All right, Mr. Palmer, you're here to be arraigned on a charge of violation of probation, both an original and an amended violation of probation. You have the right to an attorney. Do you wish to have a lawyer represent you?
Yes, sir.
Public defender is here, will be appointed to represent you, and I'm handing them a copy of both the original and the amended violation of probation.
Waive reading in there, please, not guilty.
Plea not guilty is entered. You want to set it for April 28th. Your lawyer will be up to talk with you and get you ready for a hearing on April the 28th. Thank you.
This is Jerry Parker, docket number 18767.
All right, Mr. Parker, you're here to be arraigned on a charge of violation of probation. You have the right to an attorney. Do you wish to have a lawyer represent you?
Yes, sir, I do have a lawyer that represents me.
Margaret Brady is your lawyer? Okay, I see that now. We'll have to, Ms. Margaret Brady Wilkinson is not here. She's in another court at the moment. We'll put you on the second call to have you come brought back when she is available. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
She has heard of big court, little court. Apparently it doesn't take.
This is Trace Perry, docket number 19849.
Judge, I represent Mr. Perry. That is going to be for plea as well, if he can just be brought up.
All right, Mr. Perry, because your case is going to involve an entry of a plea, we're going to have you brought over from the jail here into the courtroom, and we'll take care of you then. We'll bring
Yes,
you over
sir.
just a little bit. Thank you.
That it? Hard to understand.
We're going to bring you over for an entry of a plea in the courtroom, okay?
Yes, sir. Am I good?
So, Jerry's workers, well, or this guy right here, he's new. He
Stephen from the hall, he had one prepared. This is Patrick Peters, docket number 19294.
Mr. Peters, you're here today to be arraigned on a charge of probation violation. You have the right to an attorney. Do you want a lawyer to represent you?
Yes, sir, but could I ask a question?
Well, I'm going to appoint the public defender to represent you. Now, the questions that you may have may be better answered by your lawyer rather than you making a statement in open court. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir. I'd still like to make a statement if that's all right.
You what?
Yes, sir.
All right, you got a question?
Yes, sir. I was wondering and hoping if I could maybe get a bond. My wife is struggling with her finances currently out there, and I was hoping maybe I could get a bond on this.
I'm going to, number one, you will have to talk with your lawyer who will then need to file a motion for a bond. Because if there was a violation of probation warrant issued, it means that you've already had the opportunity to be on probation and it's alleged that you violated it. So there was a hold for a hearing. So I've appointed you a lawyer. You need to talk with your lawyer and discuss with him the possibility of getting a bond set, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you.
What is that?
All right, May 26th.
Okay, the third you go now, no, nobody's voted yet, okay, so you go back.
We'll sit down and movie and there goes the paperwork and calls the speaker.
Benjamin Richardson, docket number 19858-59.
You represent Mr. Richardson.
Good morning, Your Honor.
All right, good morning. Mr. Richardson, you're here to be arraigned on a charge, on an indictment charging you with aggravated burglary of a habitation, domestic assault, DUI second offense, and public intoxication and possession of a handgun while under the influence. You have the right to an attorney. Do you wish to have a lawyer appointed to represent you?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. We have two separate indictments. You have another violation of a no contact order indictment. I'm going to hand both of those to the public defender who is here in the courtroom, and I've appointed them to represent you.
We'll waive a formal reading, judge, enter a plea not guilty.
A plea of not guilty is entered. Date for a setting of this.
This should be
This is
on,
General Stephen.
well,
This is
and
yours.
I think,
I have some too, yes.
when do
Is
you
it
want?
to you? All hers.
And we have a motion to revoke on Mr. Richardson.
There's a motion to revoke Mr. Richardson's bond.
Yes.
He,
Yeah.
he looks pretty revoked to me.
Well, he could make it again
Okay,
because he's there on a Capias because he didn't show up for court.
okay.
We have someone coming from the SCRAM today.
So is that set for today?
Yes, Your Honor.
This is the first I've heard about any of this.
Okay. Well, we're gonna,
That's because you just got a question.
we'll leave it on the docket for today, and then we'll determine whether or not he is able to be heard today. But clearly, he has a violation or a failure to appear that resulted in a conditional forfeiture of his prior bond. So we'll see where we are. So you want to have him brought over so you can talk to him?
Yes, please.
All right, we're going to bring Mr. Richardson over then with the other inmates so that Mr. Vaughn can talk with him about this situation on his bond.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. You'll be brought over so your lawyer can talk with you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Robinson.